There's an old dog in Angelville named Buck, who's very good at making woolen hats. Legend has it that wearing a beautiful hat in Angelville will attract the angels.
Welcome to Buck's hat. Which one to use? Wow, this one! Hey, don't touch it!
Sorry, Mr. Buck. I want to make
Even
the warmest
so,
hat in the
don't
world,
touch it.
Master. I'm just afraid she'll leave me. Susie.
Wait!